Today we're back with another market update, as the past few weeks have turned out to be very interesting for certain company stock prices. First off, let's start with Nvidia. Their share price has climbed over 22% since the beginning of February to reach an all-time high of around $745 while remaining above the upward trend line. Overall, Nvidia stock has more than quadrupled over the last 15 months as investors have bought into Nvidia's market-leading position in artificial intelligence. The stock has benefited from increased optimism in the markets and a continuing hype surrounding AI, thanks to the company's significant involvement in what seems to be one of the key topics moving forward. Furthermore, following the significant rally, the company's market capitalization briefly surpassed that of Amazon and Alphabet, i.e. Google, an historic feat, especially if we're considering how Nvidia's market cap was in the hundreds of billions not too long ago. If we keep on the topic with positive news, ARM Holdings have seen their share price skyrocket by 60% last week. This is after the company reported fiscal Q3 2024 earnings last week. The company, which recently had its IPO in 2023, reported better than expected results for the October to December 2023 period. This positive outlook for the business translated in surprisingly bullish forecasts for fiscal Q4 2024 and full fiscal 2024. This, in turn, is fueling a massive share price gain during last week's Wall Street session. You can check out both Nvidia and ARM Holdings in xStation 5 by opening up the XTB app and typing their names into the search bar at the top. You can also have a look at ETFs, which hold similar stocks and give you a wider exposure to other markets. Investment plans by XTB allows you to have the flexibility to design a personalized portfolio of ETFs that align with your risk tolerance, industry preferences, and regional coverage. Download the XTB app to get started with investment plans, and make sure you're subscribed to XTB to stay up to date with the latest news on trading and investing.